This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location sharing in the LibreWolf web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the LibreWolf web browser opened up now. To enable or disable location sharing in LibreWolf, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down to where you see the Permissions section, and right up top here, Location. You want to click on Settings off to the right side of Location. And in this little dialog box that opens up here, right down at the bottom, block new requests asking to access your location. If this box is checked, this will prevent any websites not listed above from requesting permission to access your location. Blocking access to your location may break some websites. If you have this box checked, if you want some websites to access your location, you would have to put their URL right up here, and that site would be excluded from being blocked. Other than that, if you have this box checked, you're blocking access to your location. If it is unchecked, you're allowing location sharing. Then you want to go off to the far right, click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable location sharing in the LibreWolf web browser. Thanks for watching.